What's up, y'all? Today's video is a hair video and I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my Flexirods. So yeah, this is going to be a Flexirod tutorial, so I hope you enjoy it. So I did majority of my hair. I had it parted in 4 sections and this is the first 3 sections done. And so now I'm starting on my last 4th section up at the front of my hair. I figured this would be easier to show y'all. So I'm just going to start by grabbing a piece of hair about this wide or this big of a section and spritz it with some water. I like to do my Flexirods with wet hair, so I keep a spray bottle on hand to keep each piece moist. Alright, so the first product I'm going to use is the Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream. This is my first time ever trying this. Well, not my first time trying the product, but my first time trying it for my Flexirods, and I am so glad I decided to use this for that because it turned out really bomb, which you'll see at the end. And then I'm going to use the Pure Oils Tantalizing Twist Cream, just a little dot. I'm showing you about how much I'm applying in my hair. This also really helped with the definition of my hair. Both of these products together are really moisturizing. So that's what you want to look for when doing Flexirods, is using really moisturizing products. So once I got that brushed through my hair, I'm going to start by placing the Flexirod on my scalp like so. And whichever direction you want your curl to go is the way I'm going to wrap my hair. So as you can see, I made sure the piece is really smooth and I'm just really tightly wrapping it around the Flexirod to make sure it's on there nice and flat. And then I like to kind of just smooth the ends, make sure it's nice and wrapped around the Flexirod. And then I make sure it's right onto my scalp, and as you can see, I bend at the root just so that the Flexirod will stay on, and then I bend at the ends as well. And that's basically it. Just want to make sure that the Flexirod is nice and secure in my hair. So I'm going to show you again in a slow motion, or not slow motion, but you know. So I first, make sure the hair is wet. I apply my product and then I begin rolling. So again, depends on which way you want your curl to go, where you place the rod, but I just make sure it's on my scalp, and then I make sure the hair is smooth and the hair is wrapping around there as tight as it can. And I do kind of rotate my wrist around. You could do it flat all the way around, but I find it doesn't really matter. But doing it like this gives it like that wanded effect, like as if you used a curling wand. So yeah, I just wrap mine around like this every time. And here I'm going to show you what I do if the hair doesn't want to lay flat on the rod, because that is really important. If the ends aren't secure on there, then you'll see at the end how they will turn out to look, because a few of mine did look a little jacked up. But if I do catch it that the end won't stay on, then I'll just grab a little bit more product on my fingertips and smooth it over the hair and kind of force it to lay down, as you can see. And then I'll go ahead and bend at the ends, and that should do the trick. Either that or a little bit more water. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed through here and just show you me wrapping it around until I'm all done. So here's what they look like all on my head. I tried to give you a good view, even though they're all kind of bunched up in there. And let me tell you, this is not easy to sleep on. So if you could do this really early in the morning and maybe sit under the dryer, that would be great. But I slept on this overnight, and now I am taking them down. And let me tell you too, I was shook because a lot of times, honestly, when I do Flexirods, they never turn out this good. I feel like this was my best turnout ever, so I'm so glad I got this on camera. So yeah, these are like my honest reactions. I was shook that it turned out so bomb. But you basically just you're gonna wanna unravel the wand the opposite way that you wrapped it, obviously. Now here's an example of one that I didn't get completely smooth around the rod. It has like a frizzy weird end, and then this one right here is all jacked up. You can see my curl pattern in it. I probably didn't brush it out as smooth as I could, or it wasn't on the rod as smooth as I could have made it, if that makes sense. So like I said, you want to make sure that it's nice and smooth so that doesn't happen. But I mean, if you only have like one or two of them like I did, then once you fluff your hair out and everything, you won't really be able to tell. You can a little bit, but not too bad. So I wasn't too hurt about it. It still looked pretty good to me. So now that I have all those out my head, my scalp can breathe. I'm just gonna start separating and styling my hair. So I'm just gonna let you guys see that. I'm gonna add in some Cheese Silk Fusion too, to just add some shine and slip to my hair, make it soft and shiny. But yeah, I'm just gonna style as usual, and that's pretty much it. So thank y'all so much for watching this hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you find some good tips and find it helpful and that you're able to follow along with it. Let me know how it turns out for you down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair and other awesome videos, you know. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.